In this video guys, I'm going to be showing you step by step on how you can import products from AliExpress to your Shopify store. Now this is very easy and quick. All you have to do is just want to follow these simple steps and you will be able to do that. Now the first thing you want to do guys, you want to click on apps. In the left you can see here apps. Okay, and then the first thing you want to do guys, you want to search for DSers. Okay, this is the name of the app that we want to download that will help us import products from AliExpress to Shopify. Click enter and it will take you directly to Shopify app store. Okay, now what you need to do guys, next you want to download this app. As you can see, it's called DSers AliExpress dropshipping. Okay, this is the app. Click on it, and then what you want to do guys, next you want to click on add app. Okay, now next thing you want to do guys, it will take you to this page. You want to click on this is it, install app in the top right. Now after you click on install app in the top right, it will take you directly to DSers. Now it says here your Shopify email address has been used to create a DSers account. Login time, like you can just log in. Okay, click on log in. Okay, and then select any account you want, and it will take you directly to this page. What you want to do guys next is you want to click on where it says home. In the top left it says their home. Click on it, and after that you want to click on Chrome extension. As you can see it in the top here. It's called Chrome extension. It will take you directly to Chrome web store, and then click on add to Chrome. We just want to use this extension to help us import products from AliExpress to Shopify. Okay, now you want to click on add extension, and next thing you want to do guys, after you add the extension, you want to click on where you can pin the extensions in the top. Click on this pin here and then find the extension. It's called DSers AliExpress and pin it. Okay, click on this pin and now you will see it in the top. Click on the extension and then click on DSers. Okay, now after you click on DSers, what you want to do guys next, you want to log into your DSers account. Click login in the top right, and then what you want to do guys next is you want to select which platform that you are trying to use. It says open. Just log into your DSers account. Okay, I'm going to do that right now. Now as you can see, I have successfully logged into my DSers account. Now if I go to extension, it will say something like please go to AliExpress to import products. Your imported products will go to the import list on DSers. Now the first thing you want to do guys, you want to go now to AliExpress and find any product that you want to import to your Shopify. So let's say that I want to import this watch. Okay, now if you scroll down a little bit into the product, you will find here add to DSers. Click on add to DSers, and as you can see here guys, it says importing. Now go to your DSers. Okay, and you want to go to where it says import list. Okay, import list. And what you want to do guys next, you want to edit the product. I already imported another product. I'm going to delete it right now. As you can see, this is the product. Now before you push it to your Shopify, just want to click this pin. As you can see, this pin where it says edit product, click on it, and now you can click on variations if you want to delete a specific variation here, or description, you want to delete description, or images, or shipping info. Now you want to click on shipping info and select here the country that you want to ship to. So for example, I want to ship to United States. Okay, click search, and this is United. Click on United States, and it will give you the shipping rate for this country. It says here free shipping. The delivery time is 27 days, and you want to click on save. Okay, after you click guys on save, what you want to do guys next, you want to click on this Shopify logo here. As you can see, it says here push to Shopify. Click on push to Shopify and click on also publish to online store. As you can see, make sure you check this and then click link to Shopify. Okay, like it will, or just click on push to Shopify. Okay, and you will be able to go. When you go now to your, it says here link your store, so you just want to enter here your domain, my Shopify, like the video myshopify.com. I'm going to enter. If it asks you, it will not ask you. I believe it will not ask you. So just click on push to Shopify and your product will be in Shopify. Okay, now just want to go to Shopify and click on products, and you will find here the products that you have imported from AliExpress. Okay, where it says products, and that's exactly guys how you can import products from AliExpress to Shopify. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next video.